Welcome to My First Little Business, a board game where you must face the ups and downs of building a real business and race other players to create the most successful business empire. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to start playing. A game board, 4 character pieces, 1 die, game money, 12 business license cards, 52 business tool cards, 4 social media page cards, and 18 event cards. Let's set up the game. Place the board on a flat surface. Take out the event cards first, shuffle them, and place them face down. Then place the social media cards face up next to the event card deck so everyone can see them. After that, take the business tools deck, shuffle it, and place it face down nearby. This deck will be used to build and refill the market throughout the game. Now, let's prepare the market, one of the most important parts of the game. Take the top 3 business tool cards and place them face up, side by side. These form the 3 market slots, where players will buy tools during the game. As cards are taken, new ones will appear underneath or be added, so the market is always changing and creating new opportunities. Next, sort the business license cards by type: gardening, baking, pet sitting, and content creation, and place them next to each other. Then, sort the game money into separate piles to form the bank. Each player chooses a character, places it on the start tile, and takes $30 from the bank. To decide who goes first, everyone rolls the die. The highest number starts, and ties are re-rolled until one player wins the roll. Play then continues clockwise. On your turn, roll the die, move forward, and resolve the space you land on. Once that's done, you can take optional actions. And this is where most decisions happen. You can buy business tools from the market, purchase a social media page if you already have a business license, trade or negotiate with other players, or sell tools back to the bank if you need money. Once your turn ends, always check the market. If any of the 3 slots are empty, refill them from the business tools deck. Each slot must have at least 1 card before the next player begins. Now let's find out how exactly the market works. The market is where players can buy tools to grow their businesses. You can buy any card that is visible at the top of each market slot. If you take a card and another one is revealed underneath, you can buy that one too during the same turn. Some tiles can also add new cards on top of the market, stacking options and making it more dynamic. If the business tool deck runs out, the market stays as it is, and the game continues with the cards already in the slots. Any effects that would normally add new cards are simply ignored. Learning when to buy, wait, or block others from getting key tools is a big part of the strategy. Next, let's take a look at the game board and the different tiles you'll find on it. Each full lap around the board represents 1 working day. Every time you pass or land on start, you collect profit from all your business tools, plus your social media page if you have one. This happens whether or not you own a business license. You always collect profits when stepping on or passing the start tile. Action tiles add unexpected twists to the game. When you land on one, draw an event card, follow its instructions, and see how it changes the round. It might help you earn money, cost you cash, affect another player, or change what happens in the market. Once the action is complete, place the card at the bottom of the deck. There is also a fundraiser tile that requires every player to add $2 to the vault, while the cash-out tile lets you collect everything stored there. Some tiles directly affect the market. When you see a top-up-the-market action on a tile, place 3 new business tool cards on top of the current market slots. Then either collect income or pay city tax, depending on the tile, and continue your turn. When you land on an income tile, immediately collect the amount shown on the tile from the bank. If you land on the city tax tile, pay the amount shown to the bank. The Shuffle the Market tile resets the entire market. If you land on it, return all market cards to the deck, shuffle it, and place 3 new cards in the market slots to start fresh. Finally, if you land on a service tile, check who owns a matching business license. You must pay each of those players $2 for every business tool of that type they own. If no one has that license, you do not pay anyone. For example, if you land on a gardening services tile and 2 players have the gardening license and each owns 3 gardening tools, you pay $6 to each player. To get a business license, collect 3 business tools of the same type. As soon as you do, you automatically receive the matching license. Each player can only have 1 license per type. If you ever drop below 3 tools of that type, by selling or trading, you lose the license immediately. Licenses don't affect your start tile income, but they are the only way to earn money from other players landing on your service tiles, making them a key part of building a strong business. Another great tool you can use to boost your business is a social media page. You can buy it once you have at least 1 business license. Each player can only have 1, and once you get it, it stays with you for the rest of the game. During the game, you can also come across Go Viral cards. These cards may appear in the market, but they work differently from business tools. Players cannot buy them. If it's your turn and you own a social media page, all visible Go Viral cards activate right away. 1 visible card gives you $2, 2 cards give you $5, and 3 cards give you $10. After you collect the money, remove all visible Go Viral cards from the game. If this reveals more Go Viral cards underneath, they activate immediately too. If you don't have a social media page, Go Viral cards stay in the market and take up space until new business tool cards are placed on top of them. They're removed by a Shuffle the Market tile, or a player acquires a social media page and activates them. If you ever need money and don't have enough, you can sell your business tools back to the bank. You receive the profit value shown on the card, not the original purchase price, and the card goes to the bottom of the business tool deck. Players are also free to trade, negotiate, or make deals at any time, as long as everyone involved agrees. Just keep in mind, if a trade or sale leaves you with fewer than 3 tools of the same type, you immediately lose the matching business license. To win, you must be the first to reach the target amount of money. For 2 to 3 players, that's $100. For 4 players, it's $80. As soon as a player reaches that amount at the end of their turn, the game ends and they win. That's everything you need to get started. And remember, every turn opens new opportunities, and every decision shapes the future of your business. So make it count and have fun building your empire.